Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to change the shortcut commands. First thing is to go to Manage, then Edit Aliases. So AutoCAD's just opened this notepad file filled with the aliases. So I normally change copy from CO to C just to make it easier for myself. So you find the command that you want to change. And remember, you can't have duplicates, so you've got to change the opposite. So in this case it's circle, so I just changed that to CO because I hardly use circle. So File, Save. Then remember to type in REINIT. So this will update AutoCAD to take into account those changes. So remember to tick PGP. OK. So just to test it, let's draw a line. Highlight the line, press C, and you can see it's changed. Thanks guys.